happy it's Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. I'm so happy it's Thursday. Throw, throw, throw the ball. Thursday, Thursday. Thursday, today is Thursday.
Hello class! Welcome back to our online class today. It's me again, teacher Jenny. Alright, so what day is today, everyone? Today is Thursday. Very good. Now let's read and spell all together. Thursday. 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 How about the month? July, correct. July. July. How about the date today? 9th, correct. And the year is 2020 or 2020. So let's read one more time. Thursday, July 9th, 2020. So every Thursday, first session, we are going to study Jungle Phonics 3. So everyone, before we proceed to our new lesson for today, please prepare your study materials like student book, yes, your Jungle Phonics 3 student book, your notebook, pencil, and also your eraser. Alright everyone, we are going to talk about our previous lesson. Do you still remember our previous lesson, everyone? Great. So yesterday we talked about what? Alright, we talked about Unit 7, sound un and sound ul. So this is our review lesson for today. Teacher will show you these pictures, and in your notebook you need to write the word of this picture, and then later let's check all together. Are you ready? Alright, so this is for number 1. What picture is this, everyone? What is this, everyone? You have to write down your answer into your notebook. Next, this is number 2. What is this, everyone? If you know the answer, write down your answer into your notebook. Next, number 3. Guess what is this, everyone? I know you know this. Write down your answer into your notebook. Next, for our number 4. Alright, so I think you write down already. So that is our number 4. Next, for our 5th picture. What is this, everyone? Alright, so that is our last picture. Now, let's answer all together. So, do you still remember our first picture? This picture? What is this, everyone? Very good. This one is June. So, can you spell June, everyone? Alright. J-U-N-E. June. Correct? Great job. How about this picture, our second picture? Alright, very good. This one is mule. Spell mule, everyone. M-U-L-N-E. Good job. Next, for our third picture. Alright, so this is, great job. This one is tune. Spell tune, everyone. T-U-N and letter E. Very good. So that is our third picture. How about this picture? Alright, that that is rule. Very good. Spell rule, everyone. R-U-L-E. Rule. Good job. And for our final picture this is Dune. Well done, everyone. Clap for yourselves. Spell Dune, everyone. D-U-N-E. Dune. Good job. Clap for yourself. I hope that your answer and my answer are the same. So let's read one more time, everyone. Number 1 is June. June. Number 2 is mule. Mule. Number 3 is tune. Tune. Number 4 is rule. Rule. And our number 5 is Dune. Dune. Now, let's read what sound is this. June, sound, un. Very good. Mule, sound, oo. Very good. Next, number 3. Tune, sound, un. Very good. Number 4. Rule, sound, oo. Good job. And for our number 5, Dune, sound, un. Very good, everyone. Clap for yourself. So that is our review lesson from yesterday. Good job for that. Clap for yourself. Now let's move on, or let's proceed to our new lesson for today. Here's our new lesson for today. We are still the same unit. Unit 7, sound un and sound ul. So we are going to study, read the story, then chant along on page 73. Alright, so now take out your Jungle Phonics 3 student book and open your book on page 73. Here's our new lesson for today. Story on page 73. What we are going to do, everyone, we need to read the story and then chant along. Alright? Here's our story. Okay, first, it is June. So repeat after teacher, okay? A mule goes to a dune. The mule sees the rule by the dune. I don't like the rule, says the mule. There is a tune around the dune. I like the tune, says the mule. So that is our story for today. Now it's time for our break time, everyone. We will continue our lesson to our second session. See you again on our second session, everyone. Goodbye.
I'm a new soul, I came to this train.